In today's tutorial, we will cover how the search feature of Ask Kuber works. Ask Kuber provides innovative and value-based search. Most of the websites provide search facility based on the company name, and few might provide you the search based on the industry name. But Ask Kuber let you search companies based on the financial numbers. The the way search works is this is the page which you will see when you click on the explore company page link. The way search works is we have a list of filters. One can select the list of filters. The list of selected filters is shown on the right hand side, and once you have the list of filters you can provide various values to the filters, and the search will be made within the provided filter. You can add or remove filters. To add the filters you have to select the filter and say add filter. In order to remove the filter you have to click on the remove button here. It will remove the selected filter. Let's go to the list of filters we have so that it can give you idea what all you can do. You can select a company based on the total assets. You can also select the company based on the net profit margin. You can select the company based on the company's last traded price. You can select the companies based on the stock price difference from its 52-week low. For example, if stock is traded at 120 and it is having 52-week low as 100, so we say, oh, it is 20% above its 52-week low. Companies BSE group, companies having part of name. You can find a ratios based market capitalization to revenue ratio, company's book value, company's price to earning ratio, company operating profit margin, company's price to book value ratio, market capitalization as of last trading day, major industry it belongs, revenue it has in the last 12 months. Above 52 week, below 52 week high means, as we explained earlier, if company's 52 week low high is 200 and if it is trading at 150, then we will say it is 25% below its 52 week high, the face value of a company. And we are working hard to add more and more filter down the road, so you can find more filters down the road few months. Now how the filters work: you have to select a filter. If you don't provide any values, that filter will not be used. For example, in this case we have a P filter but we have not given any value, so this filter will not be used to search company. Let's do one thing. We will want to add one more filter called BSE group. So we clicked on the BSE group and we can see the resulting screen having the BSE group here. So now we have a BSE group A, B, B1, B2. Let's say we want to find all the companies in agriculture industries having operating margin, net profit margin more than 10%. So when we give one-sided value, so it search any company having net profit margin greater than 10% and any value more than that. If suppose we give 50% in the right hand side, so then it will use any value below 50. So if you give both sided range, then it will use anything between 10 to 50. Let's, for a sake of example, we want to search all the company in entertainment industry in a BSE group A but having net profit margin less than 50%. We start the search and we found there are few results. We found the companies we found as Bharti Telefilm, Micro Inc, Sun TV and G Entertainment Enterprise Limited. In the result you can see you have the major industry entertainment net profit margin is shown there, which is below 50, and BSE group. One can sort them based on the net profit margin. In this example we did, so we sorted them in the net profit margin. The results are, so Micro Inc is having the lowest profit margin and Sun TV network is having the highest margin. Now let's go to again explore company page to know how this thing works. So we click on the explore company link again. So you will see the values which you entered is already there. So now we saw that you can have any combination of filters. There is no restriction. You can use industry with group, you can use industry with any of the filters shown on the list. Any combination you can think, you can create any creative combination based on your trading strategy. You can remove a filter, like I'm going to remove entertainment industry filter now. So now I see there is only 3 filters left. You can add a company filter. Let's say we want to add a filter, say company name. The filter is added and you can see the filter added on the right hand side. This this will help to the investors who are looking for a creative way to search companies and then make the analysis. Let's say we want to remove the filter for BSE group. Instead we give the filter for company name, TLEF, and we don't want to give any net profit margin. That also will work, and you will find all the companies having TLEF in their name. You can see there are 5 companies which have TLEF in their name. From this page we can go for an individual company summary. Let's say we want to have summary of Balaji Telefilm. So we can see the Balaji Telefilm summary. This is a snapshot of company which gives basic details, and also we know we can see the capital changes happen in Balaji Telefilm. From here you can go to quarterly results page, which will tell us the quarterly results declared by the company. We show 4 quarters at time, and one can click on the next quarter to see the previous quarters, and so on. Similarly, one can go to balance sheet, and user will see the balance sheets declared for the company in the last 4 financial years. You can see the balance sheet further by clicking on the next year. You can see the financial ratios also by clicking on the financial ratios, and financial ratio will be again shown for the first 4 years, last 4 years, and then you can go to previous years by clicking on the next year. In the same way, we can go to profit and loss account declared for last 4 years, and you can see the further details here down by clicking on the next year. This ends the tutorial for company search.